If you're watching this video right now, you might want to know exactly how to make money quickly with PayPal, which is exactly what I will teach you in today's video. No, you don't need to invest any money and don't require a credit card to do this. So, the approach that I'm going to teach you in today's video is for beginners. It's beginner friendly and easy, and it only took me about 30 minutes every day to do it. I prefer this service since it offers an automated PayPal transfer within 24 hours, which means you may get your money in an extremely quick and highly efficient manner. It's also available globally, so anyone in any nation may do it right now after seeing this video. And I'll show you precisely how to do them on your computer or phone, so make sure you stay around and don't miss any part, because after this video, I'll show you a special bonus where you can earn an additional $100 in PayPal money. As a result, the website I'm going to show you today is called Validately. I know some of you may have seen this webpage before, but this is a completely new approach that I'd want to show you how to perform that step by step. But first, I'd want to demonstrate that PayPal accepts individuals from all around the world. You may acquire a free PayPal account in any of the 200 countries and areas mentioned on this website, including Africa, the Americas, and the Asia-Pacific region. This means that you can get a free PayPal account if your nation is included on this page. Back to this website, which is called Validately. As you can see, this is a legitimate firm with a real possibility because they have collaborated with a major corporation such as Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Allstate. And all of these are large corporations. So when you visit their webpage, I want you to hover your mouse over this link right here and click on it to get paid to test it. Then you'll move on to these images that you may view here. You can see here, Validately, test websites, make money, it's that simple. Now, to start, go ahead and click on this Start Making Money green button here. After you click that button, you'll be sent to this page where you may register as a tester and begin making money online. Now, you mustn't miss any portion of this video because right now, it will be asking you a total of 16 questions, which you must correctly answer for them to accept your sign-up. So, before you go to the website and test it out for yourself, I want you to watch this video all the way through. Okay, it's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Now, I'm going to hit the Create an Account button. As you can see, this is the first question. What kind of mobile device do you own? So I'm going to choose between an iPhone and an Android device. Now in my case, I prefer Android and just click on the next button. Which computer do you have right now? Now you may pick whether you want to use a Mac or a PC. In my instance, I'm going to use a PC and then click next. So, what version of Windows are you using right now? I'm going to choose Windows 10 and then press the next button. Gender isn't a huge problem in question number 4, so female. Simply press the next button. The fifth question is, what year were you born? I'm just going to write my response in here and then click next. So, this is essential because if you choose college graduate right now, you will get a higher paying job. After all, you already have an income and work. So right now, I would strongly advise you to choose college graduate and then click the next button right here. What is your current job situation? You can choose between being self-employed or working part-time. So I'm going to click on part-time and then click on the next button. What industry are you working in? So for question number 8, you may choose from a variety of choices when you go here. You can also click on these to display additional results to see if there are any additional results for you. Here's an extra tip for you right now. If you work in the information technology business, select something related to IT, and you will be able to make a lot more money on this website. So for myself, I choose information technology and then press the next button. Question 9. As you can see, there was a job title here, and when you click on this tab again, you can see that there are a lot of alternatives to pick from. I'll choose marketing. I'm going to choose Search Marketing Strategies and locate your search marketing strategies, then click Next. So, what is your annual household income? For this question, you should choose between $25,000 and $125,000. So, I chose the upper end right here for myself, and I'm simply going to press the Next button. What's your complete name? I'll tell you right here, and then I'll just click the Next button. On question 12, what's your email? So right here, I'm putting in my email and then clicking on the Next button. Question 13 is crucial because they need your PayPal email right now so they can transfer money to your PayPal account once you finish your assignment. Make sure you enter the correct PayPal email address. I'm going to click the Next button once I type in my PayPal email address. Question 14 is really simple. Just write in your password right here, and when I complete typing my password, I'll move on to question 15. So, let me go on to question 15, which is also crucial because they're going to ask you what time zone you're currently in. When you click on Detect My Location, you'll be prompted to manually select your time zone. If you right-click on this link, you'll be able to choose what time zone you're coming from. You may choose here and display further results, and you'll discover your nation and simply put it in your time zone right here, whether you're from Africa, the United States, Indonesia, or Nigeria. So for the time zone, I'll go with America. Then for the country, I'm going to click on the United States. Now, for the states, I may select from one of these four for myself, such as Alaska, and then click Next. Now for your final question, question 16, all you have to do is click here and say, yes, I agree. Then click on the sign up button. After this long 16-question process, I'd want to congratulate you on successfully registering for your account. I realize there are a lot of questions to answer, but you can do them in less than 2 minutes. If you watch this video and do exactly what I'm doing, you'll be fine. As you can see, they'll send you a confirmation email with a link to your screener test as a thank you for signing up. Check your email inbox from the website's Validately section. Then you'll need to activate your account by clicking on the link in an email. When you click the link, you'll be taken through a 1-minute screener test. I'll teach you precisely how to accomplish it, and then I'll show you a real-life example of how you may profit from this website. Then, right here, you may click on this Take the Screener Test button. So as you can see, you can make money testing websites from home. Right now, we're looking for people to test websites from their phone or workplace, and it just takes around 1 minute. This is quick, and you should use the Google Chrome browser on your phone. To open this page and click the link in your email or while you're activating your account. Then, as you can see here, I will test websites for money. So click on this white button and they'll give you a tutorial. You may view the tutorial videos, but it's all quite straightforward. This green tiny bubble, this green little ball, is where you may click on them to see what assignment you have to do. So this is where your assignment and instructions will display. Right here on this green ball, and then I'll simply press Next. Now you'll return to the top right-hand corner with these bars, so you'll always know what to do if you need assistance. You can always click on this to reveal or conceal tasks, making it incredibly useful. You may drag and drop it into whatever location you like right here. So I'm going to click here right now. Okay, I'm ready to begin this test. To do so, click this white button here. When I click on this white button, please install the Validately extension, and then you may return to this website. Validately Unmoderated Testing, as you can see. Currently, over 100,000 individuals are utilizing them to test websites from home on their computer or phone, and you may earn PayPal money by doing so. Once you've added the Google Chrome extension, you can click this blue button to add it to your Chrome browser so you can use it to start testing the website on your computer or phone. After that, you'll get a task like this, where they want you to test the website on Amazon's web server. You might be able to get one of these jobs. But no worries, the procedure and instructions are straightforward. As you can see in step 1, you must go to the Amazon website by clicking this link. Once I click on the link, I'll be sent to the Amazon website. It's now quite straightforward. Now, I've done step 1. So, step number 2, please take a picture of the Amazon website homepage. The reason you might want to take a screenshot or a photo is to give them proof that you visited the Amazon website. So all I have to do is, using a phone, snap a short screenshot as proof or evidence of it. You may either print screen your full screen or use something like this if you're using a computer. Consider the snipping tool. And then you can just drag and drop to capture a screenshot of the homepage, which you can then save right here as proof or evidence that you did indeed visit the Amazon website. So after capturing a snapshot, I've accomplished step number 2. So for step 3, they wanted me to see if I'm able to find the today's deal on Amazon, and they want to snap a screenshot of it. So I'm going to the Amazon website and look for today's deals. And as you can see here, the reason why they want us to find today's deals is because they want to know if the people can be able to find the today's deal or if it is difficult to locate. So as for myself, I'm going to seek the today's deal, but I'm going to give you a fast trick. Because they're generally on the toolbar's top, as you can see here, I can easily discover random by clicking here, today's deals. So when I click on this button, I'm going to go to these pages, which you can see here. So I'm going to take a brief snapshot of today's deal. So once I've done that, I'm going to go on to step 4. For step 4, kindly look for LeMay's Freddy the Firefly and snap a screenshot of it. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm going to highlight this one and then copy this right here. So I'm going to go back to the Amazon website and I'm simply going to paste right here. Input a term and then hit this search button. And perhaps I'll be able to locate this item, which is LeMay's Freddy the Firefly. I'm going to click on this image since it's right here. All I have to do now is snap a screenshot of this entire page as proof that I was able to locate this toy. And that is all. As you can see, the procedure is extremely straightforward. They want to test the website because they want to make sure that when consumers or surfers go to Amazon.com, they can locate today's deal. They genuinely know where to look for whatever it is that they're looking for. So after you've provided them with proof that the image and screenshot were completed, we'll be able to receive payment through our PayPal account. In conclusion, as you can see, the job is very simple. It will only take you a few minutes to complete them, and as you gain more experience, you will be able to complete them immediately, and you will be able to find so many jobs and websites to reveal, and you will be able to make so much PayPal money again and again.